Hey guys, let's see how to have a Tapo C211 work on a MacBook. As you can see, my camera is back there, close to the window, and I have the image here on my cell phone. And then you can also have the image on your MacBook. It's just a question of using the same app, all right? So here I have the Tapo app. I can come here to my MacBook and go to the App Store and look for the Tapo app as well. So I just look for Tapo. And here I just installed this TP-Link Tapo, okay? And then you can log in with your account, the same account that you use on your cell phone. So as long as you have the Tapo app here, you can just open it up and log in with your account. And there you go, right? After the login, you're just gonna see the same images here, like the same way you do on your cell phone. So super simple, right? Then you can take a look at everything that I have here. See here, for example, I have other devices connected, right? And then I can just select any one of them. And here I can check my cameras, they're available. I was just testing some cameras here. Back to home, I have my window camera. I'm just mute here. And you see that's working pretty fine, right? I can just double click here and see all the options available. I can take a screenshot, manually record, change the volume, do a voice call, talk to somebody close to the camera. I control the pin and tilt from here as well. See here, there's a pin and tilt camera, and I can just control from here. And I can also control other cameras if I have available. Let's say here, for example, I have more than one camera. I can just come here to the top and select 4 screens and add extra cameras. Right, super simple. Basically anything that you can do here with your cell phone, you can do also on a MacBook Pro. That's the way to go. So now you know how to connect your Tapo C211 to a MacBook. Hope that helps. Just give your thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.